Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor Magic V3 and let me show you how to block a number on this device. At first, open your phone dealer. Now mark settings. Here go to block numbers, and now you can add a number manually by yourself by tapping on add a number and smoothly providing the number to block here. If you want to block your contact, let me just add some. If you want to block your contact, just open, let me just go back, open contacts, select the contact that you want to block and click on block numbers. Tap on block and that's it. From now on, this contact will not be able to reach you anyhow. Then to unblock it, mark block and unblock it here. So once it is blocked, it will be possible to unblock it here. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.